Before we place any boards into our box, we first need to consider how to use assemblies. For this simple box, we will create and use one container called an assembly. This example shows 3 assemblies in a project. The purpose of SketchList containers is to group multiple objects into one, so you can edit it as a single unit. This means when you resize, move, save, or delete a container, all the parts inside it adjust automatically. Here we change the width of the center assembly. Inside an assembly, we add the parts of our box, such as boards, doors, and drawers. To insert a container, click its icon on the left of the SketchList screen near the top. When you click the Add Assembly icon, the Add Assembly form opens. In that form, you can rename and set the sizes for the new assembly. We'll show how to use that in the video on using SketchList tools. Containers are powerful. You can resize, add space, save to library, delete, clone a container, clone and space, or clone and mirror. You can even merge them when needed. For our box, we'll keep things simple. 1 project, 1 assembly. Then we'll add 5 boards.